Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to access your meetings on Microsoft Teams. I'm going to start from the beginning just in case you still don't know how to get on Teams, okay? So there's two ways. You could either download the app on your computer or on your phone, so which looks something like this one up here, Microsoft Teams. So I already have it on mine, so here is my Teams. All you have to do is log on with your school email, which is your user ID at student.sisd.net, okay, and then use your password. Or you could go through your email, okay. In this case, you will hover over this. You could click on this little waffle looking thing. You would open it on Teams. So I'm going to open it as a new tab so it won't take me out of my email. So once it opens, you'll see your Teams, okay. So that's the way. Either download the app um, or open it here on your email, okay? So once you are on Teams, okay, so once we're on Teams, you have all these bars over here. So you have your classrooms, which is where you have all the teams, your chats, your activity, your assignments. To go ahead and go on to your meetings to meet with your teachers, you're gonna go on calendars, okay? So see how there's these little tabs right here? Those are going to be your meetings. So they go by date, okay? They'll show you what day it is. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and every day. Remember, Mondays are your electives. Tuesday is your ELAR. Wednesdays are your math in the morning. I mean, your science in the morning and your math in the afternoon. And Thursdays are social studies, okay? So you would have a meeting per class. So for example, I have my science and my math meetings here. So all you have to do is click when there's already a meeting in progress. You just click on join meeting and it will show you this. So all you have to do is click join meeting, okay? That's all you got to do. And if the meeting's about to start, it'll show like this. So you click on it again and you could click up here, join meeting, okay, up here. So that's all you have to do. Just join your meetings those two ways. Once it starts, again, it'll show like this, join meeting, and then join meeting right here. All right, hope to see you guys in one of these meetings. Email me if you have any further questions. Bye.